At the moment, we're busy developing a template together, Nicole, for mold inspections. I'd like to just ask you how this template will be different from other ones you've seen on the market, perhaps templates that you've seen within the industry. And yeah, if you'd like to sort of explain maybe the differences there, that'd be great.
Well, this template was created in order to establish some uniform standards within our industry. It's a bit of a dog's breakfast out there when it comes to assessing water damaged buildings, because you really need multiple skills and a good understanding, knowledge base in order to assess water damaged buildings. It requires a multi-pronged approach. And that is understanding why you're doing what you're doing. Probably the most important tool you bring into assessing what a damaged building is your knowledge, and the template is quantifying that knowledge so that you're able to assess the hazard and more importantly, assess the risk before providing recommendations on what to do about that. What I really loved about this checklist, which has been developed over many years through the Australian College of Environmental Studies and tested uh, many times, is to be able to gather a significant body of data using, quite technological meters. They're always getting better on the market, especially the moisture meters, for example. Thermal imaging has come down quite a lot. Understanding the limitations and advantages of each instrument, but also at the same time knowing that each one is unique but doesn't give you all the information you need. So the template really pulls that together. It enables you to save time. A big issue we have in our industry is that writing reports is a pain in the tush. We hate writing reports. We spend more time writing reports than we do doing the assessment, which we love to do the assessment. We love to engage with the clients, but the last thing we want to do is get home and go, oh my God, it's going to take me a day to write this report. The fact that we can take photos, we can draw on the photos and the moisture readings, we can do thermal imaging and import them into the report, is going to save so much time. And also just having the layout of the report in a way that's consumer friendly. My background is as an academic, and I can write and have published in scientific research on various fields. But what I found, what my clients want is what's wrong with the building and how do I fix it? And that's why the template is just really designed for the client to understand, okay, here's enough data and we've quantified what's going on to justify acting, and this is what you need to do to be able to do it. So it's not word heavy, it's not an essay, it's just collating the most essential information to come up with a hypothesis as to what you think's going on, and then providing recommendations. So it's easy to follow, it's easy for the technician to do, it's awesome for the client because it looks professional and it's got all the information they need to be able to make a good assessment as to what they need to do about their water damage building.